teachers, how are you doing? Real short video today. Due to some issues that we're having with Illuminate today, but this could be utilized at any point. I wanted to show you guys how to utilize Scantron sheets with Illuminate test. This might be new to most people. This is useful if we're running into tech issues like what we're having now, or a lot of schools, they don't have their devices yet, and they're going to get them far too late in the semester to be doing like a pre-test. So this is a really good option for students to be able to complete the test and then you to quickly get their data uploaded onto Illuminate. So I'll show you how to do that. You'll want to get logged in and go to View Assessments. Once that gets loaded up, go ahead and look for All Assessments or Shared with Me and type in some sort of test to look up something. I'm going to go ahead and just use the 8th grade test. Once you get that pulled up, go to Administer. And then the two things that we're going to use today are print answer sheets and grade with camera. So this is really nice because you'll have the Scantron sheets, and once they're all complete, you just hold it up to the camera and then it grades it for you. Or if you have a scanner, you could use that, but I don't think any of us have that. But so we'll be using the camera. I'll show you what this looks like. So you hit print answer sheets. So this will require that you have the actual test printed out, but now instead of having to print one for every student, you can just have a class copy students can sit with like that. If you just go to print blank and generate, that is going to download a sheet. I'll show you what that looks like. And pretty straightforward Scantron for those, we grew up with Scantrons. Students will put in their student ID number, fill in the bubbles, and then here's the 20 questions for the test. If it's a multiple select, there'll be some more options for them, but pretty simple. Students fill those in. This is the sheet that they'll turn in. You probably want to have their name associated with it too, in case they put the wrong student ID. But once the students pass this in to you, you can then come back into that other tab that I showed you. So again, you go to Administer, Grade with Camera. Now, I don't know if it's going to show it because I'm already using the camera, but we'll see if it pulls it up. But this will pull up a camera right here where my mouse is moving, that you can hold the paper up, and because it's got the QR code and all those blocks, it's analyzing where things are on the page, and it auto grades this test for you. And then since the students are putting their student ID number, it automatically puts that into the student's result as well. So it's very quick and easy. You can even have this pulled up while the students are taking the test, and as they come up, you tell them, hey, hold it up in front of the camera. Boom, they can see their grade right there automatically. So this is a really neat feature that should bypass any tech issues that we're having, like we are right now, for some of our teachers, as well as, hey, my students don't have devices yet. This is a good way to get around that. You might have this just available anytime you do testing in case student device is gone, missing, broken. Well, hey, you can do it here on Scantron and get it done real quick. All right, that was all I wanted to show you guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys in utilizing the Scantron portion of Illuminate, and reach out to me if you have questions on it. Bye.